Today's manna, reigning over our problems. Bible verses. Romans 5:17. Those who receive the abundance of grace and of the gift of righteousness will reign in life through the one, Jesus Christ. 2 Corinthians 12:8-9. Concerning this thorn, I entreated the Lord 3 times that it might depart from me. And he has said to me, My grace is sufficient for you. John 1:16. For of his fullness we have all received, and grace upon grace. Words of ministry. How can we reign in life? We reign in life by receiving the abundance of grace. We need to consider the practical significance of the abundance of grace. Suppose you have a certain problem. If you find it easy to care for this problem, it means that you have an adequate supply of grace. If you find your situation unbearable, it proves that you lack the abundance of grace. Paul had a certain trouble, a thorn in the flesh, and he asked the Lord 3 times to remove it. The Lord seemed to answer him, I will not remove the thorn. You must suffer it by my grace. My grace is sufficient for you. What is this grace? It is the incarnation of Christ. It is nothing less than Christ Himself as our enjoyment. When you enjoy this grace, the issue will be life. You will be rich in life. The more you endure hardships by grace, the more you will be filled with life. We need to open ourselves to the grace and enlarge our capacity to receive grace upon grace. Christ is the source of grace and Christ is grace itself. If we open ourselves to Christ and receive the abundance of grace, we shall be filled with life. Amen.